Problem number 1. Limit of x squared plus 3x plus 4 as x approaches 2. So, we will going to use limit number 4. So, this will become limit x squared as x approaches 2 plus limit 3x as x approaches 2 plus limit 4 as x approaches 2. Since we have the power of 2, so we are going to use limit number 8. So this will become limit x as x approaches 2 to the power of 2 plus, we are going to use limit number 3. So this will become 3 limit x as x approaches 2 plus, since 4 is constant, then we are just going to copy 4. Then, substitute the value of a to limit x, and that is limit number 2. So this will become 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 4. Then, indicate the following operation. So this will become 4 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 14. The answer of limit quantity x squared plus 3x plus 4 as x approaches 2 is 14. So this is kinda similar to the previous problem. So limit quantity x squared minus 4x plus 3 as x approaches 2. So we are going to use limit number 4. So this will become limit x squared as x approaches 2 minus limit 4x as x up 2 plus limit 3 as x approaches 2. Then, since we have the power 2, we are going to use limit number 8. So this will become limit x as x approaches 2 to the power of 2 minus, then use limit number 3. This will become 4 limit x as x approaches 2 plus, since 3 is constant, then copy 3. Then, substitute the value of a to limit x, and that is limit number 2. So, 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 2 plus 3. Then, indicate the following operation. Negative 1. The final answer for limit quantity x squared minus 4x plus 3 as x approaches 2 is equal to negative 1. Problem number 3. Limit quantity x plus 4 square root of 2x plus 5 as x approaches 2. So here we are going to apply limit number 5 since this is multiplication. So this will become limit x plus 4 as x approaches 2 times limit square root of 2x plus 5 as x approaches 2. Then, apply limit number 4 to this part only. So this will become quantity limit x as x approaches 2 plus limit 4 as x approaches 2. Then we are going to apply limit number 7. So this will become limit quantity 2x plus 5 as x approaches 2. Then, we can use limit number 4 to this part. So, copy limit x as x approaches 2 plus limit 4 as x approaches 2 square limit 2x as x approaches 2 plus limit 5 as x approaches 2. Then, use limit number 3 here. So this will become, just copy this, limit x as x approaches 2 plus limit 4 as x approaches 2 square root 2 limit x as x approaches 2 plus limit 5 as x approaches 2. Then, apply the value of a to limit x. So that is limit number 2. So this will become 2 plus 4, since 4 is constant, square root of 2 times 2 plus 5, and since also 5 is constant, then perform the indicated operation. So this will become 6 square root of 9. So the answer is 18. So the final answer of limit quantity x plus 4 times square root of 2x plus 5 as x approaches 2 is equal to 18. Problem number 4. So here, we are going to use limit number 8, since we have the power of 2. So this will become limit 3x plus 4 as x approaches 3 to the power of 2. Then, use limit number 4. So this will become limit 3x as x approaches 3 plus limit 4 as x approaches 3 to the power of 2. Then, use limit number 3. So this will become 3 limit x as x approaches 3 plus limit 4 as x approaches 3 to the power of 2. Then, apply the value of a to limit x. So this will become 3 times 3 plus 4, since 4 is constant, to the power of 2. So the answer is 169. The final answer for limit 3x plus 4 to the power of 2 as x approaches 3 is 169. Problem number 5. Limit 4x plus 2 over x plus 4 as x approaches 3. So in here, we're going to use limit number 6. So this will become limit 4x plus 2 as x approaches 3 over limit x plus 4 as x approaches 3. Then, use limit number 4. Limit 4x plus limit 2 as x approaches 3 over limit x as x approaches 3 plus limit 4 as x approaches 3. Then, apply limit number 3. So this will become 4 limit x as x approaches 3 plus limit 2 as x approaches 3 over limit x plus limit 4 as x approaches 3. Then, apply the value of a, which is 3, to limit x. So this will become 4 times 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 4. So we have 12 plus 2 over 7. And the final answer of limit 4x plus 2 over 4x plus 4 as x approaches 3 is equal to 2.